Hi, in this lesson, we will learn that how we can add a custom checkout page with the help of LifterLMS checkout block. So LifterLMS checkout block helps us to add a custom checkout page on anywhere we want. So for example, if you want to create a page where you will add a custom checkout page, you can add the LifterLMS checkout block there. So basically, checkout block outputs the checkout page for purchasing courses and memberships in LifterLMS. So what we have to do first, we have to click on this plus icon to add the checkout block. Then in the search box, we have to type for checkout. So you can see here is the checkout block. We have to add it. And on the right side, we have checkout settings. You can select the number of columns you want to show. So I want 2. Then I will update it. So now if I visit my website and if I add the course on my checkout, if I have courses, I will add this one. So when I will click on this sign me up, it will redirect me to the custom checkout page. So here you can see it's my custom checkout page and here is the other details. So this is how you can add the checkout option. Also, we have to make sure that we connected this custom checkout page to our LifterLMS checkout settings. For that, first we will create the custom checkout page, then we will add this checkout page on our LifterLMS settings. So first we have to visit our dashboard, then LifterLMS settings. I already added this. So you can see we have the checkout option. We have to click on here and then we have to select our custom checkout page in this option. I already added this. So this is how you can use the LifterLMS checkout block.